You've been working out, eating right, but your muscles still not growing. Sounds familiar? You're probably making one of these common mistakes. But don't worry, they're easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly why you're not building muscle and how to start growing fast. Let's get into it. Building muscle equals eating more food than you think. If you're not eating enough, your body has nothing to build with. Fix it. Protein. Aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight. 160 pounds, 160 grams of protein daily. Calories. Multiply your weight by 15 to 17 to find your daily target. Track it. Use an app like MyFitnessPal to stay on point. If your last reps feel easy, you're not growing. Muscles grow when they're challenged. If you're lifting the same weights, doing the same reps, nothing changes. Fix it. Increase your weights every few weeks. Add more reps or sets. Stick to high compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench press. Here's a fact. Muscles grow when you rest, not in the gym. If you're training every single day and sleeping less than 7 hours, your body isn't recovering. Fix it. Train 4 to 5 days a week. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Take rest days seriously. The biggest mistake? Giving up too soon. Muscle growth takes time. You won't see results in a week, but stay consistent for months and you'll be shocked. Fix it. Track your progress, photos, weights, strength. Stick to a routine. Trust the process. So if you're struggling to build muscle, fix these 4 things. 1. Eat more calories and protein. 2. Train harder and lift heavier. 3. Prioritize sleep and recovery. 4. Stay consistent. No shortcuts. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle? Drop a comment below. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More game-changing fitness tips coming your way.